Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and we just moved into a new house. So, well, new to us, of course. So I am still in the process of doing some unpacking, definitely a lot of decorating and organizing. So what you see me doing right now is I ordered a rug from Amazon.com. It's a circle rug and you're going to see me putting that underneath my daughter's little table. I really love this rug. It's so cute and I'm going to link it for you guys in the description box if you're interested in it. So you can check that. If there's anything I mention, I always try and link that for you guys. If I missed it, of course, you can ask me in the comments and I will try to get it for you. But today I'm going to be organizing and unpacking my office. I got some new office furniture. You guys are going to see that. And then I'm going to be doing some cleaning around the house and just doing a lot. I got a lot done in this video. So I hope that you guys enjoy and I'm going to let you guys listen to some of the music. And I know a lot of you throw me up on the TV and watch me while you're cleaning. So let's get to cleaning.
Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost...
So I had talked about in one of my recent videos how I wanted to turn this room into kind of a playroom for Kensley, and a lot of you were totally against that idea, but I had told you guys I promised that once you saw what my vision was, you would change your mind. So this is partly my vision. Some things have changed even since I filmed this video. I have hung a little bit of artwork on the wall. That chair has moved and I have a chest in there. You will see in the next video that I post. But this is pretty much my vision. And the white table over there by the stairs is also gone. And also that shoe like cubby or whatever you want to call that, little shoe bench, is also gone. So my vision for this room was a really pretty space when you walk in the home that you don't really realize is a playroom, but it actually is. So inside of the chest that's now where I just set that shoe thing is like her coloring books and Play-Doh and things like that. And then I keep some toys hidden in some bins. So you don't know the toys are there, but they are there because during the day, Kensley, my 4-year-old, she wants to be downstairs where I am. She doesn't want to go upstairs by herself. So I needed a space downstairs where she could keep some of her things and have a little space of her own. And that is this room. So again, it has changed even since I filmed this. This was just kind of the beginning of how I wanted it to be. But this is my vision. So as you can see, it still looks really pretty and it doesn't look like a playroom. But hopefully you see where I'm going with this.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart?
So my office furniture I found on Walmart.com. I love it. This furniture is super sturdy, very heavy. I cannot even move this desk by myself. I have to have help. And the filing cabinet is really heavy as well. I love it so much, so I will definitely have it linked for you guys. I felt like it was extremely affordable as well. This is an executive desk, and so it's large, and it was a great price in my opinion. So I'm really, really happy with it. And if you are looking for some office furniture, I would definitely recommend this to you. So what I'm doing now is just unpacking where I had packed up all my office stuff before and kind of organizing it. It may not stay this way forever, but it works for me right now. And then as far as the way that I have this room, like the furniture place, I don't know that I'm going to leave it this way for sure. I have to get some things on the wall and fill it because I'm really in a dilemma right now. This is an executive desk. So what that means is if you flip it around, the back side of it is really pretty and decorative, so you can put it in the middle of the room. And I have tried it that way and it looks really nice. The only problem is if I put it in the middle of the room and I do put a little rug under it, even if I didn't put a rug under it, I have to run a cord from my computer to the electrical outlet, and that would be that would mean that I would have a cord running behind me, across my rug, and across the floor, and I just don't know how to get around that. There's no way I can make the cord go under my rug, and even if I didn't have a rug, I would have a cord with a strip over it going about 3 feet at least behind me in the middle of the floor. So I just don't know for sure yet. If you know of an amazing hack or some solution for me that you've done in your home, definitely let me know in the comments, because if I could put this desk in the middle of my room and turn it around, I think I would like to do that ideally. But if not, I still think I'm going to be happy with it how it is. I just have got to get some decor on the wall.
It's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you.
Oh, would you looky there, that's my high school diploma. I just had to add that in there because a long time ago, some mean girls were making fun of me, and they said that they bet I didn't even have a high school diploma. So there you have it, ladies. I do have a high school diploma. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean.
So a little hack: if you need to move some furniture around and it's too heavy for you to lift, you can put some towels, blankets, or some of your husband's old shirts underneath of it and move it around, and that way it will slide easily and it won't scratch your floor. So that's what I was doing there.
It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Crashing in the day, blooming in the bright nights. Teenage runaways, watching every sunrise. Sleeping in the car, blame it on the moonlight. gazing at the stars, turning all the wrongs right. And if you're lighting up my way, I'd be yours till break of day. I don't wanna close my eyes, gotta be a short night, baby, don't you wake me up. It's gonna be a short night, and if you feel like this, sing oh, just sing just sing. Take it all the way, one-way tickets. Making up our names, got no plan to go back. I'll get on your ride, driving on the sidelines. We will never stop looking for the bright light. And if you're lighting up my way, I'll be yours till break of day. I don't wanna close my eyes, gotta be a short night, baby, don't you wake me up. It's gonna be a short night, and if you feel like this, sing oh, just sing.
I do have a rug under my desk now that fills up some of that hardwood space, and I have a plan for over my desk, but I don't have a plan for anything else. I think it's going to take me a little while to get my office just the way that I want it.
Ooh, yeah, this gotta be a short night. This gotta be a short night. This gotta be a short night. I don't wanna close my eyes, gotta be a short night, baby, don't you wake me up. This gotta be a short night, and if you feel like this, sing.
It looks like I had attitude right there, but I really just had something in my eye, and watching the footage back, I was like, it looks like I'm having a major attitude. But no, I just had something in my eye and I could not get it out. It was driving me crazy.
Just sing. It's gonna be a short night. I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away.
I'm talking to my friends on Marco Polo. If you're wondering why or what is going on my phone, Marco Polo is an app where you can like video message your friends. So instead of texting, you do a video message and then they can video message back. That's what I was doing.
Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road and it almost rained, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang.
So I had washed our bedding and I'm putting fresh clean sheets on the bed and getting that made. And I had to hurry because it was time to go pick up Kensley from school. So this was pretty much all I got done at this point. After making the bed, I cleaned the room a little bit, dusted and vacuumed, but I was unable to keep going. I would have wanted to get to the floors and clean some bathrooms, but I didn't make it. So I had to do that at a later time. But this is what I got done on this day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. There's still a little bit more footage, so don't click out yet. But I just wanted to say, hey, if you're new and you liked this video or you think you might want to see more from me, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload videos in the future. I upload every single Wednesday. And you can also follow me on Instagram if you would like. But I definitely appreciate everyone and all your sweet comments and everything. So I just wanted to come on here and say that. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys next time.
Someone everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.